morning guys, Rio here back with another video. In today's video, I am going to Wat Tham Suea. It's a tiger cave temple. It's kind of probably the most famous temple here in Krabi province. It's apparently got 1,200 steps to get to the top of the temple and incredible views at the top, they say. So I'm super excited about going and checking it out today. It's a little road trip to get there, so I'll hop on my motorbike and take you guys out there with me.
So the drive between Ao Nang and Krabi is absolutely stunning. I'll show you what I mean. What even is this? It's so crazy. Man, I love Thailand.
That's not very appropriate. So apparently there's 1,270 steps, I think. 1,270. And I haven't been counting my steps, but maybe 1/5 of the way there. But so there's no fee to come in, which was actually quite surprising to me. Yeah, I'm winded already. No parking fee, nothing. So that's really cool. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff at the bottom I'll show you later. But the other thing is this place has a lot of switchbacks and twists and turns. Some of the steps are easy and other ones are much harder. Really long, short steps. And other times it's really easy, so yeah, be prepared for that. Well, the views are starting to get worthwhile, but check out the next steps I gotta tackle. Like super high, and then they get more shallow as you go up. It's like to give you hope. Start out hard and then get easier at the top, but shit, it's a really hard hike. Hey buddy. I think I actually made it to the top here. I wasn't expecting it to be that soon. Wow. So crazy.
Well, it was definitely worth it. Holy cow. So cool. So I've just been chilling up here for the last 20-30 minutes probably, but cooling off a bit. A nice little breeze up here. It's really not such a long hike. Like, it probably took me 45 minutes, maybe an hour, but it's really not that long. It's just really hard. The steps are, some of them are really crazy, so it's definitely not for the faint of heart, but it's definitely doable by anybody that's fairly fit. Hey, temple dog. Hey, buddy. You a temple dog? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Good boy. Yeah. Ooh. How did you end up all the way up here? It's a long ways to come. Yeah. What kind of a crazy dog would come 1,200 steps up? Like, did someone bring him up here? It's crazy, buddy. It's crazy. Like, seriously, why would a dog come all the way up to the top of a temple? There's no food up here, not that I know of. There's some water, but anybody know? So just heading down here now, checking out the view. You have to get to notice some more of the views. Tons of palm trees. I don't know what kind of farms they are. Bananas or what they are, but meeting a lot of people coming up that are just dying. Guess that was me about an hour ago, but yeah, it did take me about 45 minutes to come up. If you're super fit, you probably could do it in 25 minutes, but it's a challenge. It's a good little workout. Definitely worth it. Not sure how soon I would do it again, unless I was training for some kind of a marathon or something, but yeah, it's great. Well, almost back to the bottom. Pretty much done the hardest part, for sure. Okay, so these crazy monkeys are here still. On the way back down, they seem to just hang out here. Hopefully they're always friendly, but if they weren't, could get a little hairy. Check them out. Just hanging out by the trail. Hey, buddies. You're friendly, right? Friendly? Chummy. Crazy guys. Just chilling, eh? You guys. All friendly, right? Yeah? You guys? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Yeah? It's mine. It's water. It's my water. Crazy guy, I thought he was gonna get my water. Yeah? My water. Yeah, my water. Man, This thing's crazy, so fancy. So even if you don't have the energy to climb up to the top of Tiger Cave Temple, Wat Tham Suea, it's still very worthwhile, I think, to come here. I think you can climb up the inside of this big temple, building, pagoda, whatever you call it. And yeah, it's a beautiful spot here with the mountains surrounding it. Even if you don't climb to the top, you got tons of things to see. And yeah, definitely recommend it. So inside this big building, I'm not sure what it is, but looks like they're still building it, or like the inside is not finished. So I'm not sure, I don't think you can actually climb to the top yet. They have it blocked off, but looks like you will be able to in the future. I don't know what it'll be, but it looks partly finished, so you can go check it out, but I was too lazy to take my shoes off. So yeah, and too tired to climb more steps anyways, so